if you're very, very quiet, we'll catch a vagabond in his natural habitat.
I thought you were one of them over there with the fucking RV.
What's up, buddy?
What's going on?
It's cracking.
Nice.
That'll work, right? I think.
Tape? Okay, good.
And I'm pretty good at running it. I can run miles of that stuff. So
I get you to help me out on that.
all right, I got a laser level, laser line.
See, what you got is you got choice.
Happy? Come here. Let me see your stick. You give me your stick. You give me that stick. You give me that stick. Is that not a happy dog or what? All right, this time I'm gonna do it where it's facing me so you can see how terrifying it is to me. Oh boy, oh boy. That was ridiculously scary. Here we go. Ready? Here it comes, Joey! Woo! That was scary.